How to find best instant gaming discount promo codes. First things first, before you go directly into instant gaming and purchase anything from here, what you want to do next is just simply create a new tab and then just simply visit this website that's called simplycodes.com. Now, once you're on Simplycodes official site, what you want to do from here is locate this magnifying glass right here and then just simply search for instant gaming. And it should be on the very first result right here. Just simply click on that. And then as you can see, there are multiple options from here that you can choose or whatever codes or discounts off that you'd like to prefer. As you can see, there is an option here that says unverified. So you have to check out the description of the code that you'd like to use before you'll get this. Simply hit on view code, copy it, and paste it into instant gaming. That's it. That's how you find the best instant gaming discount promo code.